You need to know how to prioritize. You need to decide which are the most important and need to be completed first, and you want to do it when it can be done most inexpensively. If you can get it, nip it in the bud early, then it doesn't become an expensive emergency and cost you more dollars than you had planned for that. You also need to know how to get the work done at the lowest possible cost. You need to realize how much the work actually costs and which is best. Are you going to use your staff? Are you going to hire an outside contractor, or a combination of both of those? So you just need to figure that out in your planning stages. You need to know what the work identification is. You must know it on a continuing basis, and you have to develop a schedule for inspections for the units as well as the property as a whole. You need to have a system to integrate unscheduled on-demand work from residents and scheduled preparation of vacant units. So you've got a few turns to do on a couple of the units, but you've also got some on-demand work. Something is broken and you have to attend to that when the resident has called you. You need to have a good work order system. You need to have a good form which includes all the information on the work order. Make sure that the information consists of what the problem is, and then tell whoever takes the call to write down exactly what the problem is. Just don't write down furnace doesn't work, or range is out of order, or something like this. Say on the work order, have the person define what is needed. Okay, on the range, the upper right burner is not working, so that is more definitive, so the maintenance staff can know that that's what they have to do, so they can bring an extra burner down with them and save them repeating and going back to the office and finding the burner and going back and forth, so you've saved some time. So make sure that the work orders are completed properly, and make sure that there's a place on there for inspection. Make sure there's a place on there so if the problem is caused by the resident, that you can bill the resident, and then you need to have it put down so how much time was involved and any parts that were used, and then when your maintenance staff turns it in, they need to fill out all of those items on the maintenance report or on the form. Too many times I see maintenance coming in and they'll just write done across the form, won't itemize anything, and they don't like to be held accountable to that, so they get by, and you can't let them do that. You need to have time and cost standards. You need to plan and budget and schedule maintenance on the work you need to know. You need to know how long it takes to complete the work items, what the cost of that is, and what is the cost of labor and the cost of materials to that. You need to schedule your work. The key to effective scheduling is not only getting the most important work done, but to get the most work from the workers. And this is called applied time. This is the actual work time. This is the actual wrench time that the maintenance person is spending on completing the maintenance tasks. You need to know how to effectively procure materials, where to get the materials, how to buy them. Make sure you never run out of necessary supplies. That's the worst thing you can do, is